Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cannoli cream, an easy guide for a classic Italian dessert. We will start by gathering our essential ingredients. You will need about 1 pound of fresh ricotta cheese, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, have ready a 1/4 teaspoon of orange zest and a 1/2 cup of mini chocolate chips. Let's get started. The secret to amazing cannoli cream is properly preparing your ricotta. You must drain the ricotta cheese thoroughly to remove excess moisture. Place it in a cheesecloth-lined sieve over a bowl and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight. This crucial step ensures your cream will be thick and not watery, giving you that perfect, rich consistency every time. Don't skip this part. Once your ricotta is perfectly drained, it is time to mix. In a large bowl, combine the dry ricotta with 1 cup of powdered sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a 1/4 teaspoon of fresh orange zest for a bright, aromatic touch. Gently fold in about a 1/2 cup of mini chocolate chips until they are evenly distributed throughout the creamy mixture. Mix until smooth and well combined. After mixing, cover your cannoli cream and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. This chilling time is essential. It allows the flavors to fully meld and the cream to firm up, making it easier to pipe. For the best experience, fill your cannoli shells just before serving. This keeps the shells wonderfully crisp. Now, you are ready to enjoy your homemade, delicious cannoli.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.